Hi sir, this is Manoj and my registration number is UR15CS151 and now we'll see the program about function called swap that interchanges two values. This is nothing but swapping two values. And here in this question, they ask conditions that swap the values of variable using calling function. And now here the second condition is create a series of overload functions. The overload functions is nothing but in addition to int, we have to take so many data types and we have to check with that also. And now see, we said how to pass the arguments. Now we'll see the program, how we created this. And here hash include IO string is the main header file used in this program. Using namespace std is used to include all the functions that it is also used for the main function of cout and cin to access. And now void swap one int float, these are the overload functions in addition to int. And now we'll check out this condition. These conditions are used to swap the numbers actually. Int temp equal to I equal to j, j equal to temp. And now this is the float, means to swap the variables in float condition. We have to use this void swap float k comma l. K comma l are the variables we have taken for the float. And now float t equal to k equal to l, then l equal to t. And now this is the condition to swap the variables in character data type, that is in temp equal to m equal to n, that is n equal to temp. Now coming to main function, int a equal to 2, b equal to 3. Now cout means we are prompting the user that enter two integer values. After that we have given endl. Endl is nothing but to create a new line, and a comma b are the user's choice. They what he can give. And now swap using int. They after swapping the values a and after swapping the value b, it will execute in the output. And now if we it will ask to swap the numbers in the float data type, then it prompt the user to enter two float values. Then user can use cd values according to that function. And now swap means that is after swapping the float value of c and after swapping the float value of d is executed in the program, that is in the output. And now it is asking enter two character, and it will ask in the output that enter two character values. Character values means we have to swap numbers in the characters. That's why it is asking like that. And now after swapping character value of e and after swapping character value of e is f, means after giving values to swap in the character, it will execute like this. And in every cout, that is in every executing program, we have given endl, that is to create a new line. And afterwards we have given return to the main function. And now we'll check out this. We'll execute this program. Now enter two integer values, that is I'll give 22, 33. After swapping the values, see the values are swapped 33 and 22. Enter two float values. Float value is nothing but 2.5, 3.5. Sorry, 5. Now after swapping the float value 3.5 and 2.5 are interchange. Now it is asking enter two character values. Character values are nothing but any alphabets, that is q, w, and it said that after swapping the values w and q, it has been interchanged. Thank you, sir.